Umgosike ongapheli mandla.
Yes, welcome to SABC 1.
Lapho sithi Mzansi for show.
Yes.
Kanti igama lami ke nguTyler we-crowd.
Hamba naye ke lapho Zulu ga.
Tholakala ukuthi ubonanga bezama ukuthi something will happen, sometimes that something was gonna happen something.
Yes, phinde sithole khona lapho Samkelo Ndlovu odomengeli kaRerato from Rhythm City. Utholakala ukuthi uweka kubhlungu wathi bhala kaxa lapho eHebrew and that girl nendlela ayitshena ngayo I never thought ukuthi angaba kubhlungu kanje ya.
Kuthiwa ngoba umngaka kukhona i-stick sweet abasibiza uRichard Kunutu ngoba nasi i-stick sweet sitholakala ukuthi siphuma amachafachafa.
Yes. And siphinde futhi sibuyele khona kwezika episode ukutholakala ukuthi bazala umama oyedwa benibona kumatheba when it comes to English.
I've dyed my hair with orange.
That's why I'm nominated on BET.
Sivala kanjalo eyanamhlanje. See you.
Good night.